The smartphone industry is once again in the spotlight as Vivo introduces its powerful new flagship, the Vivo X300 Ultra, at Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona. This device is designed to push the limits of mobile photography with an advanced camera system and cutting-edge technology. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Now introducing most powerful smartphone, Vivo X300 Ultra with Zeiss telephoto extender system. Let's have a look. At MWC 2026, Vivo showcased the X300 Ultra as a smartphone focused heavily on professional-grade photography and premium flagship performance. The device features a bold design with a large circular camera setup on the back, giving it a distinctive and powerful look. Vivo highlighted the phone's ability to capture extremely detailed photos and videos, making it ideal for users who love mobile photography. One of the standout highlights is its advanced zoom technology, supported by a special telephoto system that allows the phone to capture distant subjects with impressive clarity. This feature brings smartphone photography closer to the level of professional cameras. The Vivo X300 Ultra could become one of the most powerful camera smartphones ever made, featuring. Now we discuss complete specs about Vivo X300 Ultra. First is Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, 6.82-inch 2K OLED display, 7000 mAh massive battery, 100-watt fast wired charging, around 40-watt wireless charging, 120 Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, HDR support for better video quality. The Vivo X300 Ultra is rumored to include one of the most powerful smartphone processors available, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, up to 1 terabytes of storage. The camera system is expected to be the main selling point of the Vivo X300 Ultra. 200 megapixel Sony LYT901 main camera, around 1-inch glass sensor, 200 megapixel Samsung HPB periscope, telephoto camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel front selfie camera, 5 megapixel multispectral sensor for better color accuracy. This dual 200 megapixel setup could deliver extremely detailed photos and improved low-light performance. Another unique and great feature is the Zeiss telephoto extender system, which allows the phone to attach an external lens for extremely long-range zoom photography. So, guys, this is fresh information about new Vivo X300 Ultra. I hope you like it. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.